Okay, what I want to do today is show you how to post a document on SafeAssignment. It's going to be required that you post all of your major papers to SafeAssignment to make sure that you're not plagiarizing. And a lot of people have had trouble getting the document up there for one reason or another. I'm going to show you today exactly what you need to do. When you open up Blackboard, you're going to see your buttons over to the side. There's one called Save Assign Turn In. When you click on that, you'll see all the different assignments that you're required to post for. When you click on this View/Complete, you'll be taken to the window where you're able to post your paper. Now, as an instructor, I'm not allowed to post here, so I'm going to go to another class where you can see it's exactly the same sort of thing and show you what it looks like as a student. So you'll see View Complete, click it, and you'll come to this page. Now, doesn't matter if you put anything in comments. I don't need any comments from you. Just post your paper. Here you'll see File to Attach. Notice that it says it accepts Word documents, Doc and DocX, all these other kinds here, RTF, TXT, HTML, whatever, but does not include any other ones, does not include that WPS file. So I would just recommend you submit it in Doc or DocX, or if that doesn't work, save it as RTF. Okay, so we'll go ahead. I've got this example prepared, Safe Assignment example. We just select it, attach it, and all we have to do is click Submit and say yes if it asks you anything like this. And now we're done. It should be submitted. Now if you immediately click on it to view it, you'll probably see that it hasn't actually been processed yet. You have to wait a couple of minutes for it to process. So we'll wait just a minute and then take a look at it when it's done processing. Okay, now it's done processing and we're able to see what both you and I are going to see, the results of the Safe Assignment survey of your paper. You can see it's come up with only 5% matching, which is pretty good. If you come up with 20-25% or something like that, you might start worrying that you've done too much plagiarizing. We can click on this SA report thing, and what it'll bring up is the paper itself with everything highlighted that Safe Assignment believes comes from another source. These things right here are the websites that Safe Assignment has found match up in some way with your paper. I'm going to click Highlight All, and what we'll be able to see scanning through this paper is where the paper matches something that Safe Assignment has found. Now, this particular one, this is a paper I wrote in high school, it's matching up the works cited entries. Obviously, you don't have to worry if you've got matches in your works cited. What you do need to worry about is if you end up with a lot of highlighted stuff in your paper. That means that you've done too much copying and pasting, you've got your information from someplace you shouldn't have, you're risking getting in trouble for plagiarism. Now, I am able to see if there's quotes around it or if you correctly cited it. So don't worry, if you've cited everything correctly and not plagiarized, you don't need to stress if there's stuff highlighted. It's if you've been copying and pasting or something like that that Safe Assignment's going to catch it. Now here, for example, it thinks that this looks suspiciously like something that was actually online. If you click on it, you can see that there's some similarity between the two things, but it's 66% matching. This could be coincidental or paraphrased. That's not really enough to worry about. A lot of times, though, it'll end up being 100%. Sometimes I see students with an entire paragraph that's 100% matching. So basically, the message here is don't plagiarize. Safe Assignment is going to catch you. Make sure that you know how to use it correctly. Follow this tutorial. If you run into any problems, carefully read the instructions and the troubleshooting guide that's posted under course documents. Good luck.